Hello and welcome to UPS Education. Today we are going to talk about AIIMS Delhi's PhD Psychology's admission and how to fill its application forms. Okay. So first of all, what you need to do is go to our website bestpsychology.com/news, and then you will find the article of AIIMS Delhi PhD Psychology Admissions 2025. And in this article you can find all the relevant information regarding the paper, the course and the program. You can find the method of selection, you can find your different stages of it, you can find the exam pattern and eligibility criteria, the course durations and all that necessary and important informations. Okay. And you can also find the prospectus of the program, which will be very helpful and essential while filling out your application form. Now you need to go to the link that is given in the application procedure and fees section and click on that link. That link will take you directly to the AIIMS's website where you need to log in and apply for that application form. Click on login to apply then. And if you're a new student, you need to click on create a new account, and if you're a returning student, you need to click on login. So click on create a new account and then it will take you to a page where you can create your new account. Now you need to fill in all your necessary information here, and one more thing, you can do the Aadhaar verification and you can proceed without it too. Okay, so if you want to do it, you can proceed with that. Otherwise you can just click on that check mark and create account. Then they will send you an OTP which will be sent to your mobile number and your email ID. Get that OTP and fill it in the OTP section and then click on submit. After filling the OTP, you need to click on submit, and then it will show you that your account has successfully created. Now you need to click on PhD programs, then view details. Then you need to click on view details, and that will take you to the login page. Then you click on login to apply and log in there with your credentials. Now this is your dashboard, and you need to click on add application, where you will start filling your application. You need to fill in basic details, qualification, experience, city choices, upload then your images and documents, then your payment gateway. So first of all, fill your father's name and mother's name. Then you need to fill in where you have applied, and you need to select it very carefully, because for psychology only the funds available in project section is seats are only available in this funds available in project section. So you need to click on that and then select psychiatry. After doing that, you need to select the gender, if you have disability or not, and your category. So select that. Make sure you always select funds available in the project, because there are only 2 seats available, and both of the seats available in that particular that particular head. So after that, fill in other details. Choose your ID proof, fill in that ID proof's number and the place where it was issued and its date, where on that date, on which date it was issued, and its validity till. Okay. After that, fill in the other details, like if you are in service or a sponsored candidate, if you are an ex-serviceman or commissioned officer, etc. Okay. Then you need to fill in if you are working in government sector or your marital status. Then you need to fill in your birth date and your alternate number. You can choose to ignore it, alternate mobile number if you want to, and if you want to, you can fill in 2. It is not necessary to fill in that number, so you can choose to ignore it. The date of birth that you need to fill in is you need to use the date of birth that was mentioned in your 12th certificate. And then you need to enter the permanent address and click if the postal address is same as permanent address. If not, then you can fill in both addresses. So fill in your address and enter all the details: country, state, city, pin code and address. Then you need to click on save and next, and it will take you to the next section. Next is finish qualification exam details. Okay. And so you need to click on qualification exam details, and here you need to fill in your educational degree, your medical or non-medical, your qualifying degree, then your subject and discipline, which will be psychology, of course, then your college name from where you have done that discipline and taken that degree, and then the university under which that college come. Then you need to fill in your admission details, your exam status, your date of passing, when you passed the exam, or if you are still appearing in the exam, then when will you pass the exam, that sort of information. So yeah, fill in that, click on passed if you have cleared, if not then appearing. Then dates and then mark scheme, choose your mark scheme, your CGPA or marks, and then fill in that information, obtain marks and maximum marks, and that will automatically get your percentage. Make sure your percentage is above 60%, because if it is below, then you won't be eligible for this. So yeah, after that you need to select if you are eligible for special weightage. Special weightage is additional 10 marks that you can get after the first 2 stages of clearing the exam, and you need to have either of these 2 things. Okay, have you qualified in any national entrance test in the last 2 years, or are you holding any certificate, medical certificate and all that? Okay, you need to have either one of those. If you have appeared in any national exam, then you need to fill in all that information, the national exam, the certificate, its certificate's name, that date, and test certificate. You need to upload that. If not, then click on no. Okay, same with the medical degree. You can select either one of those. Okay, you cannot select both. You only need to select one to get that special weightage. If you do not have any of those, then you can ignore that. Then you need to fill in other qualification details. If you have any other details, other degrees or educational qualification, you can mention in there. Then you need to fill in medical registration details. If you are practicing in medicine, then you need to fill in those details. If you are, then click on yes. If not, then click on no. Then click on save and next, and it will take you to the experience details section. Now here you need to fill in your experience, if you have worked previously or working. If not, then click on no and click on save and next. Then you need to select your city choice and city, and then you need to click on save and next. You can only select Delhi MP. After that, you need to upload a no objection certificate if you are working, and if you are not working, then you can ignore that. After that, you need to upload your profile photo. Then you need to upload your left thumb impression, and you need to upload your signature. Okay, make sure the photo is smaller than 2 MB. Then click on that, and it shouldn't be older than 6 months. Your photo should be very recent. Okay, after that, and make sure you adhere to these rules regarding these document and photograph. Then you need to fill in your signature, and then your left thumb impression, and make sure all these things are not older than 6 months. Okay, make sure they are not older than 6 months. After that, click on save and next, and it will take you to the payment gateway section. Now you need to if you filled everything correctly, go to view summary. It will show you your fees, and then click on online payment SBI. Then continue to proceed. Make sure you have filled in everything correctly and hadn't made any mistakes, because you won't get any chances to correct them. Now you need to select a payment method, net banking or other type of net banking, and debit card, credit cards, or other type of payment methods. Okay, select your preferred payment method, use that, and pay the payment, and your form will be submitted.